Most people who dream of early retirement are living inside a dangerous illusion. They think it's something reserved for lucky lottery winners, Silicon Valley founders, or people who get an inheritance. They'll say things like, "I'll figure it out later," or "I just need enough to feel secure." But here's the harsh truth. Later becomes never, and enough is the most dangerous word in personal finance. Wealth without clarity is noise. Financial freedom is math. And if you want to retire not at 65 but maybe at 45, 40, or even in the next decade, you need to calculate the exact cost of freedom. We'll break this down into steps. No fluff, no get rich quick. Just a formula anyone can follow, no matter their starting point. And once you see the numbers, you'll realize early retirement is not just possible, it's predictable. If you're eager to build a life of abundance, hit subscribe now. We're committed to sharing proven methods and insights to help you succeed. So let's start with the very first step, the one most people never do. Step 1. Define your freedom number. Here's the first secret. You can't retire early until you know exactly what freedom costs you. Your goal isn't to have more money. Your goal is to hit a specific measurable finish line. The formula is simple. Annual expenses into 25 is equal to your freedom number. Why 25? Because of the 4% withdrawal rule, a concept used by financial planners worldwide. The idea is that if you withdraw 4% of your portfolio annually, your retirement money could theoretically last forever because your investments keep growing in the background. Let's make it real. Suppose your lifestyle costs $40,000 per year. Multiply that by 25 and your retirement number is $1 million. If you're more frugal and can live happily on $30,000, then your finish line is $750,000. But if your lifestyle needs $60,000 a year, then you're looking at about $1.5 million. Here's the kicker. Your number is yours. Stop chasing what your neighbor drives or what Instagram influencers flash. Some people waste decades chasing status wealth, the house, the Tesla, the watch. What they really need is freedom wealth, money that buys back their time. Once you know your number, every decision you make becomes sharper. So sit down, write your current annual expenses, multiply by 25, stare at the number, that's your finish line. And trust me, when you finally define it, the path ahead becomes way clearer. Step 2. Master your cash flow. Here's a brutal fact. People don't stay broke because they don't earn enough. They stay broke because they don't control the flow of their money. Think of cash flow as your financial bloodstream. Income comes in, expenses flow out. But if you don't direct that flow with precision, you're bleeding time, and time is the currency you'll never get back. And here's the hidden enemy: lifestyle creep. Every raise turns into a bigger car payment, a fancier apartment, or another stack of monthly subscriptions you don't even use. Instead of closing the gap between income and expenses, people widen it. One simple but powerful hack: track every dollar. Not in your head. Not, "I think I spend too much." Actually track it. Use a finance app, a spreadsheet, or even a simple notebook. When you see that $250 a month on food delivery or the $80 gym membership you never use, it's easier to redirect it. Every expense you cut is not about sacrifice. It's acceleration. That $1,000 you redirect to investments isn't just money saved. It's months, maybe years shaved off your timeline. Number 3. Destroy high-interest debt. Here's the ugly truth nobody wants to hear. High-interest debt is a stealthy thief of freedom. It doesn't just slow down your journey. It actively eats your future wealth while making you think you're just getting by. You can earn $100,000 a year, save diligently, invest in ETFs or dividend stocks. But if you're paying 18–22% interest on a credit card, your money is walking straight into someone else's pocket. So how do you fight it? 2 proven strategies. First one is avalanche method. List all debts from highest interest rate to lowest. Keep minimum payments on all but throw every extra dollar at the highest interest debt first. It saves the most money long term. Second one is snowball method. Focus on the smallest debt first. Paying it off gives you momentum and psychological wins. Then roll that payment into the next debt. Here's the mindset twist. Paying off debt isn't deprivation. It's liberation. Each dollar you redirect from interest payments into investments becomes a freedom accelerator. Number 4. Accelerate your income. Here's the blunt reality. Cutting expenses can only take you so far. There's a ceiling to how lean you can live. If your goal is early retirement in 10 years or less, you must focus on income growth. This is where you turn the engine from slow crawl to full speed ahead. Maximize your primary income. Don't settle for standard cost of living raises. Learn high-value skills, tech, sales, negotiation, leadership, that allow you to command $10,000, $15,000, or even $20,000 a year in raises, promotions, or freelance consulting opportunities. Every jump in salary accelerates your retirement timeline more than cutting a 100 monthly subscription ever could. Build secondary streams. A side hustle, online business, freelance work, or digital product can generate $500 to $2,000 extra per month. Compound that over 10 years with smart investments, and you're talking about a portfolio worth hundreds of thousands. Even small amounts consistently reinvested in ETFs, index funds, or dividend-paying stocks create compound growth that dwarfs your bank savings. Turn assets into cash flow. Real estate, peer-to-peer lending, or monetizing a skill online generates recurring income that both grows and protects your wealth. Rental income, for example, can cover a portion of living expenses while your portfolio appreciates. The mindset shift here is critical. Expense cutting saves months. Income growth buys years. Combine both, and your early retirement timeline compresses dramatically. Every dollar earned above your living expenses isn't just money. It's time bought back, options created, and freedom accelerated. Number 5. Build multiple safety nets. Here's the uncomfortable truth. The biggest threat to early retirement isn't a bad investment, it's life. One car accident, medical emergency, or sudden job loss can destroy years of disciplined saving and investing. That's why the wealthy always build safety nets alongside growth strategies. First, an emergency fund. Keep at least 3 or 6 months of living expenses in a separate, highly liquid account. Second, insurance. Health, disability, and basic life insurance may seem boring, but they're essential. One serious accident without coverage can erase a decade of disciplined wealth building. Think of insurance as a small investment that protects against catastrophic loss. Third, low-risk assets. Bonds, money markets, and cash reserves won't make you rich, but they act as shock absorbers during market volatility. When the stock market dips, these assets prevent panic selling and ensure your growth investments remain untouched. Once protection is in place, your wealth-building system isn't just growing, it's resilient. You can weather financial storms while your investments compound, income streams multiply, and your retirement portfolio steadily approaches your target number. Here is a bonus for you. Use investing as a multiplier. Here's the reality many people ignore. Saving alone won't make you rich. Money sitting in a bank account is slowly being eaten by inflation, usually 3–4% annually. That means a $10,000 savings today could feel like $9,600 next year in real terms. If you want to retire early, your money needs to do the heavy lifting for you. That's where investing comes in. Where should you start? 3 practical low-risk strategies work worldwide: index funds and ETFs. Broad diversification, consistent growth, and minimal fees make these the backbone of any early retirement portfolio. Dividend-paying stocks. Not only do they appreciate over time, but they also provide passive income that can be reinvested or used to cover expenses. Real estate. Rental properties create recurring income while appreciating in value. Intelligent property selection and cash flow management can turn real estate into a self-sustaining engine of wealth. The mindset shift is essential here. Every dollar invested is an employee. The more employees you hire, the faster your wealth grows. Aggressive investing doesn't mean reckless speculation. It means putting money into proven vehicles and staying consistent. And remember, the true power isn't in big one-time wins. It's in repeated actions over a decade. Compounding is your secret weapon, and it works for anyone willing to stay the course. Early retirement isn't a dream, it's a formula. Every step you take, from defining your freedom number, mastering cash flow, eliminating high-interest debt, accelerating income, investing intelligently, building safety nets, to automating your finances and designing your lifestyle, compounds into freedom. The truth is simple. Time is your most valuable asset, and every dollar redirected, every skill acquired, and every system you automate buys back more of it. Start small, stay consistent, and let compounding work its magic. In 10 years, or even less, you could be living life on your terms, not chasing someone else's version of success. Freedom is possible. The question is, will you act today? I'm grateful for the chance to share these insights with you. If this video made a difference, like it, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more powerful tips. Now, if you want to know how smart employees turn every paycheck into equity, then watch this video. I'll see you there.